Hello students, today we are going to discuss exercise 4.2 class 9. Topic name is solution of linear equation in two variable. Okay, so first of all we will discuss the introduction. Introduction part is what is the solution. Okay, so suppose I have a linear equation in two variable. The general term is ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Okay, so I will put here a equal to 3 and b equal to 2 and c equal to minus 6. So the value of a is 3x plus b, the value of b is 2y, and the value of c is minus 6. Okay, the value of c is minus 6 equal to 0. We can write like that also. 3x plus 2y equal to 6. This is a linear equation in two variable. Okay, so now question is what is the solution? Suppose I will fill here two value. The value of x is 2 and the value of y is 0. So what I will get? 3. The value of x is 2 plus 2. The value of y is 0 equal to 6. So 3 2 are 6, 2 multiply 0, 0 equal to 6. So 6 equal to 6. Okay, left hand side is equal to right hand side. So we can say x equal to 2 and y equal to 0 is a solution of this equation. Okay, because x and y are satisfying the equation. So that is a solution. Okay, so let's take another example. Suppose I have a value of x is 3 and value of y is 1. If I will put here, so 3, the value of x is 3 plus 2, the value of y is 1 equal to 6. 3 3 are 9 plus 2 equal to 6. 11 equal to 6. So left hand side is not equal to right hand side. So we can say x equal to 3 and y equal to 1 is not a solution of this equation. This is no solution. Okay, so what we can say, value of x and y which satisfy the given equation is called solution. Okay, so question is how I knew that the x equal to 2 and y equal to 2 is the solution of this equation? तो कोई तुक्का वगैरह लगाया नहीं, बच्चे actually I had solved before, so everyone can find the solution. You can also find the solution. Okay, so now we will learn how to find solution. Okay, how to find solution. Okay, that's a very simple. Suppose I have a linear equation that is x plus 3y equal to 9. Okay, if I will put here the value of x is 2, any value you can put here. Okay, so we can put x equal to 1 also, x equal to 2, x equal to 3, y equal to 1 2 3, any value we can put according to ourselves. Okay, so now if I will put y equal to 2, so 3, the value of y is 2 equal to 9. So x plus 3 2 are 6 equal to 9. The value of x is 9. 6 will go that side, will be negative. So x is 3. It means x equal to 3 and y equal to 2 is a solution of this equation. Okay, if you want to check, we can check also. So put x equal to 3 here, x equal to 3, and put the value of y here. Value of y is 2 equal to 9. 3 plus 2, 6 equal to 9, 9 equal to 9. That is a solution. Okay. So now question is how many value we can put. Now you know that in our school there are many section. In one section there are 30 students. Okay. In our country there are many students. Every person will put the different value and they can get different answer. It means infinite number of solution we can find in linear equation in two variable. Okay, so this was the introduction of exercise 4.2.